Welcome back, traders. Today is Monday, the 24th of July. I hope you had a lovely weekend. We're going to look back at Friday's trades. We are going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's not mess around. Let's get started. So trades from Friday was all about the pound and potential pound strength. And there were two trades that we looked at with trend, and there were two trades against trend. Yeah, surprise, surprise, the one with trend worked out. Anyway, let's look at them. So pound Canadian dollar, we were looking to buy this pair. Why were we looking to buy this pair? Well, clearly it is in an uptrend. All right, and it retraced to a really nice level here. Why is it a nice level? Because we have resistance over here, and what was once resistance then becomes good support. Okay, and yeah, we also had moving average 20 coming round as well. All right, so we really like this level to buy potentially back up to here. Okay, and I also like these wicks. You know, the wicks on these, I know they were bearish candle, but the wicks told me buyers were coming in. All right, so if we drop down to the H1 now, what were we looking for? And we were just looking for the first bullish candle in this gray zone. Okay, and as you can see, guys, this is it. This one here was the first bullish green candle that we got, and I entered. Yeah, simple as that. So I entered here, we got a slight retrace, put my stop below here, and I took profit back. Well, I took my first target was here. All right, so I closed 80% of my trade at this level, and then I'm going to let 20% run. Okay, guys, so pound Canadian dollar, good trade, still in it for 20%. And if we go back to the day chart, you know, it's going to be a trade idea for today as well. I like the fact that buyers, are back. All right, so that was pound Canadian dollar with trend, successful trade. There was also pound US dollar. Okay, like I say, all about the pound. And we were looking to buy this. Yeah, again, it was at a very nice area of support. And, you know, clearly, guys, it was in an uptrend. All right, retraced, nice area of support, not only horizontal support, but the moving average 20 acts as dynamic support, double whammy support, we call that, a DWS. I don't know, I'm just making that up on the spot, but you get the point. There's good support. So we were looking for buys, guys, from this level, you know, potentially back up to one of these blue lines, which are my targets. If we drop down to the H1 now, again, I was just looking for a candle, you know, a bullish candle, you know, back in this gray zone. And we never get it, guys. There was this candle not bullish enough for me, because if you look at the previous candles, not bullish enough because it has a big wick, you know, and we just don't get a setup, guys. So pound US dollar, no candle told me to get in on this pair, so I didn't. All right, next one was Euro pound. Okay, and these are against trend now. If we go to the day chart, guys, you can clearly see, you know, we were in a downtrend, but then bang, we're in an uptrend. As soon as we break this high here, we've got higher highs, we're in an uptrend. But we liked this level. We liked this level through here, and we had a nice bearish reaction. You can see this candle here. So we were looking for shorts for these reasons, potentially back down to this blue line. If we drop down to the H1 now, this trade might have stopped you out or caught you out. I mean, I didn't enter this one. I entered pound Swiss franc, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, I mean, there was this combination here. You've got a big wick followed by a bearish candle. You know, perhaps some of you entered here, you know, on this bright close of this candle, put your stop here. You know, you might have been stopped out. If not, you know, this candle's a lot nicer to trade. Yeah. If you start selling here, put your stop here, you know, and look to take price lower. So you either got stopped out or you're still in this trade as we currently speak. And always let us know, guys. Let us know how you're trading my ideas. You know, we would love to hear from you. So that was euro pound. I didn't get in on that one because, like I said, I actually got in on pound Swiss franc. Let's look at the day chart. So again, this is against trend. So let's just look at the trend first of all. You know, we're clearly in a downtrend on the day chart. Okay. If we zoom out, you can see there is a beautiful level of support running through here. This is why we were looking at this trade. All right, if we zoom back in now, we also had a nice bullish candle at this area. And the idea was just to come back up to this 1-200 level, psychological level. So let's drop down to the H1 to see how we traded it. And for me, guys, because we got this we had highlighted this area of support previously, and then we got this candle. Yeah, I know it's a red candle, but look at that wick. That wick that tells me that prices, you know, buyers have hugely rejected that level. All right. As it turns out, sellers came back in. All right. So I entered here. You know, some of you use a stop loss. I use a hedge. I put my hedge here, you know, and the idea was to come back up to at least here, if not further. All right. But yeah, so I'm hedged in this trade, guys. Maybe you got stopped out of this trade. Yeah, we will have losing trades. Yeah, just follow your risk management. You will live to fight another day. So yeah, we got stopped out. I mean, there was this candle. We were talking about this in the VIP Discord. You know, perhaps we could have got back in here. But at this point, structure for me is breaking down. So yeah, I was reluctant to, you know, take this candle higher. So yeah, those were the trades from Friday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the recap. If you did, then come join us. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also, smash that notification button, guys. And if everyone could please smash the like button, yeah, it helps support the vid and the channel. Thank you very much. So yeah, before we look at trades for Monday, the 24th of July, let me just mention a few things that we do. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. We've got traders on there sharing knowledge, ideas. We've got indicators, psychology, and just loads of cool stuff, guys. So come join the free Discord. The link is in the video description. We also have the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day. You can ask me questions. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their trades as well. You get exclusive content every week, and you also have access to a performance coach and other VIP members. Yeah, so come join that as well. The link is in the video description. Thirdly, guys, we do a mentorship program. If you would like to be mentored or coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we will send you all the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. Also, now, guys, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. Okay, so it's a great way to support the channel. Yeah, you also get some cool perks as a result of doing so, and it starts from as little as a couple of dollars or less a month, guys. So if you want to support the channel, come join Simply Forex membership. The link is in the video description. And finally, guys, don't forget the live streams every day, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Come join us for that, guys. Get your questions ready. Something in my eye. Yeah, so that's everything, guys. Yeah, check it all out in the video description. Right, trades for Monday the 24th of July. So this is not a trade idea, but I want to explain this. Okay, and this is things that I look at. So pound US dollar, what's not to like here, really? We was in a potentially a downtrend, but then prices shot up, and we're clearly in an uptrend. And this as I pinpointed on Friday, is a very nice area of support. We've got moving average 20 and these last highs over here offer good support. Okay, so potentially this could be a great, area for looking for buys. So, and it still might be, guys, but why this is not a trade idea for today is because if you look at every other US dollar pair, so, this pound US dollar is suggesting US dollar weakness if I buy this. Whereas New Zealand US dollar, look at that, just US dollar strength. Okay. If we look at US dollar Swiss franc, yeah, US dollar strength. Yeah. If we look at US dollar Japanese yen, US dollar strength. So if I wanted to buy pound US dollar, it would go against every other US dollar major pair. Yeah, so I look at this, guys. Yeah, there's something you must be aware of. When you're looking at trades, do they make sense compared to other pairs in the market? Yeah, must be aware of that, guys. So pound US dollar, if we go back to it, I really like the level, but for that reason, not a trade idea for today. But I do have some trade ideas. And the first one is this. It is euro against the Canadian dollar. Okay. So what do we like about this? Well, lots of things. Let me zoom out because you can see this gray zone through here, this area of support through here. So we really like this level, guys. All right. If I zoom in now, you can also clearly see that price, structure is in an uptrend. It's retraced to an area of support. Yeah. And the idea is to potentially buy from here, back up to one of these targets. These blue lines are my higher time frame targets. So structure's good. We're at a support and resistance level, and we've got a nice bullish push away from this level. All right. So those are all the reasons we're looking to buy this pair. Remember, guys, you must have reasons. Yeah, lots of them. All right. And those are my reasons. If we drop down to the H1 chart now, what are we looking at? So yeah, basically the day chart is my direction, and then I look on the H4, H1 for potential areas where I can buy if I'm looking for buys, which I am. So this level through here, guys, you can see that price has reacted here, here, and over here. So this has become a nice level for potential buys. So what I want to see is price retrace back to this level. Yeah, I want to see a bullish reaction. I mean a candle that tells me buyers are in control, and then I will look to buy from here. Okay. It could retrace all the way back down to these lows here. Yeah. And then we get a bullish candle. Okay, great. We're getting better value. Yeah. But again, I'll do the same thing. I'm just waiting for a candle that tells me buyers are in control, and then we can look for buys. What might happen, guys, is we just get a break of this level. We get a bullish green candle, yeah, and price just goes up. No problem. We've missed the trade. Yeah, I won't jump in on trades. I want to retrace because I get value. Yeah, if I jump in on a trade, no value. Okay, so that's euro Canadian dollar. I am also looking at, no surprises, pound Canadian dollar. All right. So I'm actually in this trade. I'm still in this trade for 20%. If we drop down to the day chart now, again, why do we like this for a buy? Well, let me tell you. So first and foremost, we are in an uptrend. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. We're now at an area of nice support. Not only do we have the moving average 20, we also have this zone through here. Yeah, because of these last highs are now good support. Okay, so we've got good support. We're in an uptrend. And again, this time we're seeing a bullish candle as well. So the idea is to take price back up to this blue line. If we drop down to the H1 now, guys, what are we looking for? So again, guys, pretty simple. Yeah, I'm looking for a retrace somewhere in this gray zone. Yeah. And then I want to see a bullish reaction, something that tells me buyers are in control. And then I will look to buy this pair back up to here. All right, as simple as that, guys. It could be back at these last lows we get a reaction. Okay, so yeah, pound Canadian dollar, that's what I'm looking for to buy pound Canadian dollar. And there's one more trade as well today, guys. But before I give you my last trade idea, if you're new to the channel, if I could ask you to please subscribe to the channel right now. Yeah, also smash that notification button. And also, guys, if you're enjoying my analysis, if everyone could also smash the like button right now, it really helps push the vid. And also, guys, don't forget all the cool stuff we do. We've got the free Discord channel. We've got the VIP Discord channel. We've got the mentorship program. We've got Simply Forex membership. And we've got live streams every day. All the information for all of these things are in the video description. Right, my last trade for today is this, is US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, so as we, alluded to last week, yeah, if we look at the weekly chart, I kept saying all week how much I like this level for buys. Yeah, because it's reacted historically at this level. Yeah, a real swing play. And look at the reaction we've had, guys. Look at that weekly candle. Kapow, in the words of Batman. So yeah, the idea is still to come back up to these highs. All right. If we drop down to the day chart now, again, very bullish. Just look at ever since we hit this area of support, look at the candles. Bullish, 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 bullish. Okay. And we're still looking to ride this bullish momentum upwards. If we drop down to the H1 now, yeah, what am I looking at? So there's a couple of potential areas we could buy from. So price could retrace just back down to here. Yeah, we got this level through here, and we've got the moving average 20. We get a bullish reaction, a bullish candle. We can start buying from here. Okay. Or, guys, price might want to retrace further. It might come back to this level through here. Yeah. We get a bullish reaction in here. We can then start to take price higher. So US dollar, Japanese yen, we're still looking to buy this pair. All right, guys. So, yeah, those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So, news for Monday, the 24th of July, guys. So, if we scroll down, the first 3-star rating we can see is this at 8:30 London GMT. We're looking at HCOB, German Manufacturing PMI. All right, so that could really move the euro. If we carry on down, guys, at 9:30 London GMT, we're looking at manufacturing PMI coming out of the UK. Again, could move any pound pair. We carry on down some more. The last piece of news for today is this. At 2:45 London GMT, we got services PMI coming out of the States. All right, so a day of PMI data. So that's it, guys. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to get your questions ready for the live stream today, 8 AM New York EST. I'll see you then. Have a great trading day.